Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have this trigonometric function. So let's see how we can integrate this one. So whenever we have odd power, we try to separate this one first. So that's the first thing to do, right? So let's separate this one into sine x, and also you can say sine power 4x or sine square x, same thing. Sine square x, then we have cos square x dx. Then also you can take sine power 4x, then divide into sine square x square. It's the same thing. But let's see why did I do this one like this. If you remember, we have an equation: sine square x plus cos square x equal 1. So here what I'm going to do, sine x, instead of sine square x, I'm going to plug 1 minus cos square x, right? So here 1 minus cos square x, here also 1 minus cos square x dx. And if you notice, we have only one sign left here. That's for a reason, because if we have only one sign and everything else is cos, we can do the u substitution, because we know the derivative of cos is going to give the sign. So we can do the u substitution. So let's pick up u as our cos x, and if I take u as cos x, I will take care of this one, this one, this one. But we have to do something about this and this, right? So if I take the derivative of this one, this is going to give us minus sin x dx, but we are trying to substitute for plus sin x dx. So I have to bring the minus to the front. This is going to be minus du, that gives us sin x dx. So let's now write everything in terms of u. So here what I'm going to do, I bring the minus du to the last one. I bring the minus here, du. I substituted for sin x dx already. Then I write everything cos. So we have minus 1 minus u square, 1 minus u square, and this is all comes in a bracket, and that's all we have. Now let's multiply everything together. First of all, let's get rid of these two brackets. So this is going to be, if I multiply, this is going to be 1 times 1, that's going to be plus 1. 1 times minus u square, minus u square times 1, minus u square times minus u square, that's going to be plus u power 4. Then we have to multiply everything by u square du. So let's continue here. So minus integral of, if I multiply this one u square, everything is going to be increased by power 2. So here we are going to have u square minus u power 4 plus u power 6 du, right? Now this one is easy to integrate. Let's do the integration. So this is going to be u power 3 over 3 minus u power 5 over 5 plus u power 7 over 7 du. Then all I have to do is simply substitute the cos x, but before that I get rid of this negative. I multiply everything by negative. So this is going to be minus u cube divided by 3 plus u power 5 divided by 5 minus u power 7 divided by 7 plus constant of this du, that doesn't come right here. This is just plus constant. Okay, now all I have to do is simply substitute our u value, that is cos x minus cos cube x divided by 3 plus cos power 5x divided by 5 minus cos power 7x divided by 7 plus constant. So this is our final answer. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.